Hey, I'm Manny, and I'm the founder and personal trainer at Bootcamp. I've been doing this boot camp since 2010. When it first started, I started just picking up clients that were inside of the gym and inviting them to do the boot camp with us. Then through asking for referrals, getting them to invite friends and family to the class. Then we tried some other things, like when social media got big, Facebook, Instagram, we started going to Vistaprint, getting posters to put up outside, business cards and poster cards that we were putting aside at the different locations. But what I found most challenging about that was the inability to follow up with people. Also, it took a lot of time and we spent a lot of money doing it, and I didn't have the time to spend doing that. So I was looking for a solution to get more people into the class and grow the community. Then one day I was in the gym, Tanya mentioned to me that she noticed my online presence wasn't all that it could be. What got me off the fence was, she asked me how many leads would it take to be successful in the course of a week. And I said 10. And in 5 days, we got 25 leads. The solution that I was given through working with Tanya was a lead generation tool where the leads came to me. They came directly to my phone. I didn't have to go out and ground pound. Had to knock on people's doors to ask if I could put flyers in their restaurant or put flyers at the shoe store or post Post-its out in the ground. I didn't have to know much about the thing at all either. I just trusted her, and leads just started coming. They started coming and coming and coming. It made sense to hire her because I want to grow my business. And I think anybody that wants to grow their business should use this tool. It's something that you don't have to learn about marketing. I was trying to figure everything out on my own. She made it very specific. I'm a personal trainer. She's a marketer. All I do is take care of the leads when they come in, and that's what I'm doing right now. And they come in, I call them, I invite them to the class, and I'm very confident that our class is going to grow. The money that I will make from the leads far surpasses the investment. And also, with the success of people coming to the class, these are going to be people that work with us over and over and over and over again. And if you need help with lead generation, I suggest that you give Tanya a chance. Let her provide you with the same solution she provided me with. Not only did she give me the tools, she also gave me the knowledge and the information and really taught me what to do, what to say, how to get people into the funnel, how to follow up. She provided me with next steps, things that I never even thought about before. So.